Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Von Duprin number 090081. This is a package of 30 wedge-tight screws for their, what they show here is their 55 series device. Unfortunately, the only way you can get these is by buying a pack of 30. That's probably going to be a lifetime supply, unless, of course, you're a school or some sort of installation that has a dozen of these. In that case, it may be no big deal, or maybe 100 of these. So this is what's called a wedge-tight screw, and the wedge-tight screw is really important to have. It's a simple piece of hardware that does work its way loose and get lost or vandalized, and without it, you're not going to really have an easy way to hold the crossbar onto the lever arms of your 55 series device. It's basically a set screw, but it's one that is mandatory for you to get a healthy installation worked up. There's an image below this video that shows where the wedge-tight screw is, and you can see that you require 2 of them for a standard exit device installation. Overall length of the wedge-tight screw, 0.631. 0.631. Outside diameter of the unit, 0.31. 0.31. So basically 5/16. There's also a link below this video to a document called 55 Series Manual that will allow you to review not only all of the items, not only the 090081 wedge-tight screw, but all items that will be serviceable, replaceable, replacement parts for the entire 55 series exit device. I'm very partial to the 55 series devices because it's a device that we use when we've got an application and the client wants it to look old-fashioned, but you also have an application where you've got really narrow styles. So the last job I did was for a really big door, a front door to a restaurant in Chicago, and the door may have been 4 foot by 10 foot, and it was a steel structure that was welded that had glass held in with glazing strips and then was clad on the exterior with some sort of reclaimed wood. It was something like that, and they really wanted it to look old school, but the styles they gave us were very narrow. And of course, we had some sort of projecting trim on the inside, which the crossbar made easy work of because it's not mounted to the face of the door across like a modern 99 series. You're going to have instances where a crossbar is really just the bar to use, and a 55 is that special variant of the 88 style, the crossbar style, that will solve problems when you have narrow style material. The balance of that series manual that's there is helpful. If you have one of these devices, you'll want to have a shortcut to that manual. You could also be a Big Ten university and have hundreds of these devices deployed across the campus. And the ability to get replacement parts is crucial to being able to continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in exit device hardware, which is an argument that I use to turn the clients away from the original brand that they wanted to use on that restaurant front door. And my argument is that I can call an 800 number. Within a couple of prompts, I can get to tech support. That part number I'm going to have, and I'm going to be able to get it through wholesale now. And that's just why I continue to propagate the idea of using products that are supported so vigorously. Any questions? Obviously, the downside is having to buy 30. If you have any questions on the Von Duprin 090081 wedge-tight screw for their 55 series device or any other Von Duprin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.